Christmas is an excuse for the fabric companies to print lots of pre-printed panels, sometimes with a festive theme, sometimes just with a winter theme. And we have shown you how to make this block, which was with a pre-printed panel, no idea what size, but it looks like 5 inches, but to make it up into an 8-inch block, because these are 2-inch finished units. So I thought I'd go back and show you how to make it with a slightly smaller unit, which I didn't have in the studio at the time I was doing the demonstration. So step 1 is take your little unit. And I always like to cut this with an accurate 1/4 inch seam allowance. So I'm just going to use my trusted ruler here just to trim off and out, just so that you can see. And you can make lots to make a quilt, as I'm planning to do. Obviously, I've got 5 red ones and 4 white ones, so I'm going to make a 9-block quilt. But you could actually turn them into stitch and flip candle mats or table mats.